आज हमारा वर्कआउट रूटीन होने वाला है हाई इंटेंसिटी। आज हम करेंगे 4 एक्सरसाइजेस जो कि हमारे सारे एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज को नॉक ऑफ करेंगी एंड हमारे कोर, अपर बॉडी, एब्स, लोअर बॉडी सब पे काम करेंगी। हे एवरीवन, आई एम हरीना, आपकी फिटनेस कोच एट फिट तक। आज हमारा वर्कआउट रूटीन होने वाला है हाई इंटेंसिटी। आज हम करेंगे 4 एक्सरसाइजेस जो कि हमारे सारे एक्स्ट्रा कैलोरीज को नॉक ऑफ करेंगी एंड हमारे कोर, अपर बॉडी, एब्स, लोअर बॉडी सब पे काम करेंगी। सो अगर आप एक हफ्ते में सिर्फ एक बार ये हाई इंटेंसिटी रूटीन कर लेंगे एंड यू आर गुड टू गो टू नॉक ऑफ दोज एंटायर फैट बर्नर रूटीन। So let's start with, we will start with a little bit of warm up today because the exercises are really high intensity. तो हम इसके लिए थोड़ा सा warm up करेंगे पहले, little stretching. तो अपने हाथ आगे लेके जाएंगे, अपनी कलाइयों को इस तरीके से घुमाएंगे, at the side. Okay, अब अपना hip को rotate करेंगे. 3 on one side, 3 on other side. Let's do an arm stretch. Especially high intensity workout करने से पहले, it is very important कि आप stretches करें because you don't want to hurt any of your ligaments or muscle group जिसको आपने of course high intensity में सब कुछ use होता है जिसको आपने definitely otherwise बैठे हुए use नहीं किया होगा, right? So we will just stretch our toes. Very good. Now let's use our knees. Whenever we are doing high intensity workout, आपका pressure आपके knees पे नहीं आना चाहिए, okay? हमारा high intensity workout is always our core and our major muscle groups that are upper body, abs and lower body. आपके किसी भी टाइम पर आपके joints के ऊपर pressure कभी नहीं आना चाहिए. So let's begin with our first exercise for today, that is high planks with single leg crunch. Okay? इसको करने के लिए हम लोग plank position में आएंगे. Let's begin with our first exercise and come on all fours, plank high and go. Alternate leg. Make sure आपके bums dip ना करें. Feel it. Last 2. And that's it. Stay there. Come back. Relax your back. Stretch it out. Feel the stretch. और ये थी हमारी पहली एक्सरसाइज, हाई प्लैंक्स विद सिंगल लेग नी क्रंच। ओके, सो हमने इसके अंदर क्या क्या यूज़ किया? आवर शोल्डर्स, आवर अपर बॉडी, हमारा कोर इज ऑलवेज इन प्ले in whatever kind of workout we are doing. It is very important that we use our core and the energy, जो power है, जो आपकी जान है, वो वहाँ से निकले, right? And then of course our abs, because of the single leg crunch जो हमने किया, हमारी abs पे workout हुआ, and our entire glutes, outer thigh and back of the thigh, because of the high plank. Okay? So हम हर एक exercise के बीच में 1 मिनट का gap लेंगे to catch our breath and then get ready for the second exercise. Our second exercise for today is a normal plank with jumping jacks. Okay, आप इसको करने के लिए अपने normal plank में आएंगे and then we will do a jumping jack with it. Okay, so let's begin. As I told you, all these exercises are really high intensity and they will make you count that every set, every repetition that you have done. Let's begin. Come in a normal plank like this, and make sure your bums are down, they are not dipping or they are not hunching. So like this, and we begin. कोर को यूज करें, बैलेंस बनाए रखें, do not slip off the floor. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay there. Stay there. And relax. Always try to end a plank exercise with a child pose stretch because it really helps to strengthen and flex those muscles which you have used. Okay, this is our time for that 1 minute break. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, relax your muscles, make sure there is no soreness. A happy pain और एक twisted pain में difference होता है. So if we continue working out like this, we will get to know a happy pain persists for about 2 दिन. It gives you that tightness, it gives you that feeling of a muscle being worked out. Okay? So deep inhale, deeper exhale. Inhale, exhale. Feel your shoulders, relax them, roll it out, relax your legs. हमारी आज की थर्ड एक्सरसाइज रहेगी alternate knee high and a toe touch. ठीक है, अब हमने 2 एक्सरसाइजेस किए which was on the floor and very high intensity. So let's take a notch lower and then get ready for the 4th one. Okay, so आपने पैर को खोलेंगे अपने hip width apart. Keep your shoulders back, neutral spine, core tucked in, and we begin with a hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इसको करते हुए हमारे abs काम कर रहे हैं, back of the thigh, and of course our shoulders. 4 more. 2 more. Last one. And other side. Deep inhale, exhale. Touch. Touch. If you cannot touch your toe, जितना दूर जा सकते हैं जाइए. While you're doing this exercise, your body is automatically achieving balance. आप पूरे टाइम सिर्फ एक पैर पे खड़े हैं. Your other toe is just touching and coming back. Last 2. And 1. Relax. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. And let's move on to our 4th exercise, that is a jump squat. Now if you have a lower back pain, do not jump, okay? Just do the normal squat with me while we are jumping. ठीक है? And others, make sure that आपका pressure आपके knees पे नहीं आना चाहिए. I'm going to repeat myself again. Your posture should be bum out, down, bum out, down. So your knees are not doing anything apart from keeping your legs straight. Okay? So let's begin with our 4th exercise for today, high intensity workout. Let's do it. Jump squat. Deep inhale and jump. Breathe out when you go down. Last two. And one. That's it. So you can do these sets in 2 or 3 as per your endurance level. आप जितना कर सकते हैं, आपकी capacity क्या है. If you think you're a really beginner and you want to just try it out for the first time, सिर्फ एक set काफ़ी है. आपको अपने आप को exert करना है, पर break नहीं करना है, okay? So your circuit has to be complete, all these 4 exercises with the warm up and the cool down. Intermediate level पे आप 2 sets कर सकते हैं, and the expert ones can do 3. So it's going to be like a 15 to 20 minute workout, and you're going to burn off at least 300 calories, and that too pure calories with a heart rate of at least going up to 150. Okay, so I'm just going to do the cool down with you guys now. So stretch in, hold your knee, make sure your shoulders are straight, and if you cannot hold it straight like this, just touch your tongue to the palate. ऊपर अपनी tongue को अपने तालू पे लगाएंगे and stay there. Rotate your ankle. Anti-clockwise. Catch your breath. Feel proud of yourself. And let's go. Other side. Take it back. इस तरीके से स्ट्रेच करेंगे अपने टो को पकड़कर. So your traps are also getting stretched here, and so is your upper thigh, front of the thigh. There you go. Stretch your arms and shoulders, your calves. Come on your toes here. Other side. And take your arms back. Stretch. Hold your elbows, stretch. And thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Do give me the comments, and thank you so much for watching Fit Tak.